How to sign up for Hertz Gold Plus Rewards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open this login page of Gold Plus Rewards. Here, scroll down and simply add your first name, last name, your customer discount program if you have one. Then press on email and add your email. Create a password you want your account to be, then press on join in seconds. After you've clicked on join in seconds, your account will be created and you will also be signed in to your account. From here, you can book another ride. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to sign up for Hertz Gold Plus Rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.